Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Explore. From File, select New, then Part, then click OK. Right click over the front plane and select Normal. Right click again and select Sketch. Select Center Line and draw a center line vertically. Draw a horizontal line from the origin point. Select Circle and draw a circle at the bottom point. Draw another circle at the mid of these points. Select Smart Dimension and this distance from the origin is 44 millimeter. And the diameter is 72 millimeter. This diameter is 40 millimeter and the distance from the vertical circle is 52.155 millimeter. Horizontal distance from center is 56.967 millimeter. Select center line and connect the outer edge of the circle to the center and draw an inclined line to the first one. Now select Smart Dimension. The angle between these two lines is 37.3 millimeter. Now select Spline and from the horizontal outer edge to the circle and one point to the middle and then another point to the outer edge of the inclined line. The distance from the midpoint of the spline to the horizontal line is 2.714 millimeter. And this point to the vertical line distance is 42.564 millimeter. Now click on the point handle and the distance parameter is 43.41 millimeter. Similarly, click on the point handle of this side of spline and distance parameter is 55.3 millimeter. Now control and select the spline and the circle and click on tangent. Then press enter. Click on mirror and select the circle and the spline. Then mirror about the center line. Then click OK. Now click on circle and draw a circle till to the outer edge of the upper circle. Now select trim and trim the extra portions. Then click OK. From features, select extrude. Extrude 15 millimeter. Then click OK. Now rotate the body. Right click over this surface and select sketch. Select normal to. Click on circle and put the cursor over this edge and the center will be shown. From center, draw a circle. The diameter is 54 millimeter. From features, select extrude, extrude 46 millimeter, and click on merge result and select OK. Now right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch, select center line and connect the upper point to the bottom point. Select circle and draw a circle from the middle point of the center line, and the diameter is 72 millimeter. From features, select extrude and extrude 38 millimeter. Click on merge result and click OK. From reference, select plane, select this surface and this surface, so a new plane will be created at middle, then click OK. Select mirror, expand bodies to mirror, then select this body and mirror above the plane. From reference, select plane and select this surface and this surface, so new plane will be created at middle. Then go to mirror and the plane 2 is already selected. Select this body, then click OK. Go to insert, then features, select move copy, then select this body, click on rotate and then rotate 180 degrees, then click OK. Now go to reference and select plane, select these two surfaces and then click OK. Now click on mirror and select these two bodies, deselect merge solid, then click OK. Now take a new reference plane on this edge and then mirror again. Now click on insert, then go to features and then select move copy. Now select the middle portion. Now rotate this body almost 90 degree. Here input 90-degree angle, then click OK. Now repeat the same process and rotate the last body at 180 degree. Press Ctrl and select these planes. Now right click over them and select height. Right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Now select circle. Draw a circle from the center. Select smart dimension and this diameter is 40 millimeter. Then go to features and select extrude. Extrude 25 millimeter. Then click OK. Now right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle and draw a circle from the center. Select smart dimension, and this diameter is 17 millimeter. Now select center line and draw a vertical line from the center. Select line and draw a vertical line and then horizontal. Press escape to come out. Select smart dimension, and this line is 2.5 millimeter. And this one is 2.675962 millimeter. Now click on mirror and select these two lines and mirror above the center line. Select copy and then click OK. Now trim the extra portions. Go to features and select extrude. Extrude 38 millimeter. Click on merge result and then click OK. Now right click over this surface and select normal to. Right click again and select sketch. Select circle. Put the cursor over the circle and the center point will be shown. So from center, draw a circle. Draw another circle from the center. Here select for construction and draw a circle over the construction circle. Select smart dimension. The outer circle is 180 millimeter. The construction circle is 145 millimeter. And the smaller circle is 18 millimeter. Then click OK. Select circular sketch pattern and then select the inner circular edge. The entities are the small circles. The number of entities is 8. Then click OK. From feature, select extrude and extrude 25 millimeter. Then click OK. Now go to insert and select feature. Select combine. Select all of the bodies. Then select add and then click OK. Now select fillet. Select one edge and the fillet expert window will pop up, and using that we will select all of the edges. Now we want to deselect some of the edges at here. So press Ctrl and select these edges. So this will be deselected. Fillet radius is 1.5 millimeter. And then click OK. Now go to appearance. Expand metal. Select steel and then select made steel. Now go to file and save it. For rendering portion, we will choose polished silver because it will suit the rendering best. If you want to render the full assembly, then you can save the rendering appearances separately.